Welcome back to Rachel Be the Healthy We. Today we're going to do a 2-ingredient easy cheesy cracker. We're going to be using cheddar cheese and almond flour. You're going to go ahead and place your cheddar cheese over top of your almond flour. When you microwave it, this will allow the oils to seep into your almond flour, making it easier to mix. You're going to go ahead and microwave it for 2 minutes. This may vary depending upon the power of your microwave. Go ahead and mix that together. You're going to get your hands involved and just make sure you're thoroughly combining it so you're not seeing lumps of dry almond flour. Once this is complete, you're going to place it between 2 pieces of parchment paper so we can roll it out thinly. Now you can shape these any way you like, making crackers or strips that you can use in salads, whatever you may enjoy. It's much better to use a pizza cutter. I, however, did not have one. And I'm making little holes because they just look cute. We're going to go ahead and place those on another baking sheet. You can put them closer than I did and they'll still come out fine. We're going to put them in a 350-degree oven until we get some nice light golden brown edges. And that should take about 10 to 13 minutes. Feel free to try any type of flavors you'd like, including maybe pepper jack cheese or seasonings and spices. Hope you enjoyed this recipe, and thanks for watching.